Hello everyone, I am Adarsh and welcome back to my YouTube channel Adarsh Maths Classes. Today we are going to do a new question, which is question number 3 of exercise 1.3 from chapter number 1 knowing our numbers of class 6. तो आज हम एक नया क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं या सीखने जा रहे हैं, जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 एक्सरसाइज 1.3 से chapter number 1 knowing our numbers class 6 ka. So be in the video till the end to understand this question in an easy way. So our question is from exercise 1.3. Question number 3. Estimate the following products using general rule. So in this question they have told us that we have to do the multiplication. Product is always meant by multiplication. So we have to first estimate the number which we are going to multiply with each other, and then we are going to find the product of that number. We are having 4 parts in this question. So the first part is 578 into 161, 5281 into 3291. The C part is 1291 into 592, and the D part is 9250 into 29. So we are going to head to the first part of our question. So the first part of our question is 578 into 161. So first we are going to do the estimation of the number. So what do we mean by estimation? We are going to round out the number. So we are going to compare the tens place and the units place with 50, which means when we will compare 578 means 78 of this number, we will get that 78 is greater, so we will succeed the number, which will be equals to 600. Now we are going to compare the second number, which is 161. So when we will compare 61 with 50, we will get that 61 is greater, so we will succeed this number also, which will be equals to 200. Now our new number is 600 into 200, which will be equals to 1,20,000. So our answer is 1,20,000. So this is the correct answer of the first part of our question. Let's head to the next part. So the next part of our question is 5281 into 3291. So in this question हमें वही चीज करनी है जो हमने पहले की. Now again we are going to do the estimation of these numbers, which will be, first we are going to note down the number as it is, which means 5291 into 3491. So now we are going to round out this number in nearest thousands. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है जब हम नियरेस्ट थाउजेंड्स में राउंड ऑफ करना होता है तो हम उसको 500 से कंपेयर करते हैं, उसके 100 टेंस और यूनिट्स प्लेस को. सो व्हेन वी विल कंपेयर 5291, which means 291 with 500, we will get that 291 is smaller than 500. So we will proceed the number, which will be 5000. Now we are going to compare the second number, which is 3491. So 4091, as we know that 4091 is always smaller than 500 also, so we will proceed this number also, which will be equals to 3000. Now the new number which we have got is equals to 5000 into 3000, which is equals to 1 crore 50 lakhs. So the right answer of this part is 1 crore 50 lakhs. Let's move to the next part. So the next part of our question is 1291 into 592. So we are going to do the same thing. We are going to do the estimation. So estimation is the round off. So when we will do the estimation, we are going to do it with the help of rules which we have learned. So first we are going to do the estimation nearest 100. So when we will compare 1291, which means 91 with 50, we know that 91 is greater, so our answer will be 1300. So now we are going to do the second number comparison with 50. So when we will compare 92 with 50, we will get that 92 is greater, so we will succeed this number also. So when we the new number which we have got is 1300 into 600. So when we will multiply 1300 into 600, we will get our answer as 6,80,000. So let's move to the next part of our question. So the next part of our question is, so our question is 9250, which means 9250 multiplied by 29. The thing which we did in the previous questions, we are going to do the same thing, which means we are going to do the estimation of the number, which will be equals to as I dictate you. Now we are going to do the estimation. So first we are going to write down the number as it is, which means 9250 into 29. So when we will estimate 9250, we are going to estimate it to nearest thousands. So we know that we are going to compare the hundreds, tens and units place with 500. We know that 250 is smaller than 500. So we are going to precede the number, which will be equals to 9000. And now we are going to compare the second number. So we are going to do the round off to nearest 100. We know that we are going to compare the units place with 5. So when we will compare 9 and 5, we know that 9 is greater. So we will succeed this number also, which will be equals to 30. So when we will multiply the new number, which is 9000 into 30, so we will get our answer as 2,70,000. So the answer of the D part is 2,70,000. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe